Hello, this is how to do some straps. I know I said I'll be using my selfie stick. There's no time like the present. If you can hear the alarms going off in the background music. Okay, them bright sunny days of Nokia day, down. Like maybe get like Alexa doing orchestra of what presentating, what ringtones from electronic these and now like software providers. Look. So now here's on the selfie stand. So these are the straps, yeah. These are to body hold posture or back posture to keep your back, your spine. Oh, good. So these straps, yeah. So here, let me stop this video. So these straps, yeah. So that is the loop. It loops back. Here is the strap that resizes, yeah. So that bit you can tell it goes and hangs over. Yeah, to resize smooth. That is where the underside is where it is connected to that buckle, the loop. And then over, it goes over, there's a crosser bar between there. So it slides across to size, resize. Yeah? So, these are for back straps and stuff. So that way, where your arms are, to make. Yeah, so this is loose. So you get here, and you can pinch, hold on either side, and resize it. Yeah? And that way, it's resized. Goes around. That's it. That helps the back. Can connect bags to stuff in there. So anyway, these might as well in the same video explaining back strap. These are velcro. Yeah, this one's like hooky and grippy. This one's fluffy, grippy. So that one's a male, female, and it sticks. Yeah, and this is used for extra layering. That's my name tag. So then these can size to how big a patch is you got to grip to. And this is an extra overlap to interlock the layers. Yeah. And Velcro technology is good, it's secure. You get different type ones anyway. So anyway, for now, and keep it short.